Uniqa Dental. Order online directly from the manufacturer.
So you have a multi-unit level scan and temporary sleeves for multi-unit D-type. Let's select items in exocad. First, select library for multi-unit level. Then, select short scan body. There's another option for a long scan body as well. After that, select temporary sleeve for D-type multi-unit abutment with required number of cut grooves. Done. Now you can attach scan bodies with scan data and start your design process. The following items can be used in this case: angled and straight MUAs, D-type, all platforms. Skin body MUA level, D-type, height 6 mm. Temporary sleeve for MUA, D-type.
Uniqa Dental. Your committed partners in innovation and dentists' business growth.